Hey there, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're the company that's been out a couple of times to do your gutter maintenance, a little bit of roof tune-up, gutter tune-up as well. And I just wanted to take a minute to quickly talk in this video to quickly talk about our services and what we can offer you as far as some of the problems we have going on with your siding, gutters, moss, mold, mildew, algae. Our gentle detergent wash process, talk a little bit about window cleaning, how we do that, and then we'll get into roof maintenance. So let's quickly get into that. Okay, so this house is plagued by mold, mildew, algae, just like your neighbors. So our gentle detergent wash process, from the ground with no ladders, we safely and effectively can wash all exterior surfaces of this property with no high pressure, so it's safe for your painted surfaces. And we apply that to all the corners and crevices of your spindles, your columns, all four sides of the house. Let it dwell. The mold and the mildew, the algae will die. And from there it'll turn color, it'll disappear, break down the bug guts, the spider webs. And with 9 gallons a minute, about the same pressure that would use with the garden hose, we would rinse it down after that really nicely, safely, gentle detergent. And this home will look brand new, sparkling clean. So that's our process for getting all the dirt and all that grud off. And then after we're done, we're going to turn our attention to the windows. Now, from the ground, with no tall ladders and no squeegeeing, we can take care of these windows in a way that's different than you probably are used to. You know that last bit of slow dripping water when you're at a car wash? That's very expensive filtered water, and that's the water we use with no minerals, no impurities. And when we scrub your windows down with our special monofilament brush, it gives us the ability to wash safely, and your windows will stay cleaner longer when they dry because they have no impurities on them. And we're not actually using any soap to clean your glass, so they'll stay cleaner way longer because the squeegee method still leaves a small film of soap behind, and it actually attracts dirt faster. So this method of washing your windows is way more effective, and you're going to be happier. Let's turn to the roof maintenance. Now, the roof is starting to show some signs of aging and a little bit of algae growth. So my suggestion is to be a little bit proactive about the tuning up of the shingles, and we're going to button up any of the leak prone areas with the flashing details. We'll put some sealant, any plumbing boots coming out of your roof. We're also going to put new rubber collars around that, seal up any exposed nails or screws. And then we'll follow up with a conditioning treatment from MAXX. We are your certified dealer in the area. And that allows us to preserve the life of your roof by another 5 years life with each treatment. You can do 3 treatments for an extra 15 years life to your shingles. And that basically puts the lifespan of your roof on pause while we're maintaining it. But instead of me blabbing on about it, please watch this quick informational video that explains why roof maintenance is important and how you can benefit yourself, and why investing in maintenance is actually going to save you money in the long run without having to do expensive replacements. And so tune into this video. Thanks so much. Take care.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse. Think you need a new roof? Think again. Introducing MAXX, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With MAXX, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. MAXX's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. MAXX's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with MAXX's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle. So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally. But this house treated by MAXX had absolutely no damage. So a MAXX roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands. And who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with MAXX.
Hey, thanks so much for allowing me to quote your home maintenance services. And I just wanted to take this brief moment to explain the benefits of cumulative buying power with you and your neighbors. So when you and all your neighbors take advantage of the buying packages that we offer, we're able to work more efficiently, plan out our days better, and plan out our help better, and our purchasing equipment to be able to provide the highest level of service for you. So the reason why I make these packages is because it allows us to work more efficient and provide the highest level of service for you. So when you combine the buying power of working with you and your neighbors, it saves you a lot of money and it makes us work smarter. Thanks so much.